In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer free shipping with Shopify the right way. Free shipping is a popular incentive that can significantly boost your online store's conversions and overall customer satisfaction. Let's get started. First, navigate to the homepage of your Shopify store. Once you're there, you'll want to find the discount section. This is where you can manage all kinds of offers and promotions. Click on Discounts to enter the section. It's easily accessible from the main dashboard and provides a variety of options for different types of discounts. Next, you'll need to create a new discount. You can do this by clicking on the Create Discount button. It's located at the top corner of the Discounts page. Creating a discount is a straightforward process, but make sure to choose the right type to align with your promotional strategies. Once you're in the discount creation menu, select the free shipping option. This is key to allowing customers to receive their orders without any shipping charges. It's an attractive deal that can increase your cart conversion rates immensely. After selecting free shipping, you'll come across the content configuration area. You can skip the introductory content unless you'd like to read through it. For any specifics, Shopify might have added in their updates. Now, focus on the discount code section. Here, you can set a unique code that the customers will use at checkout to apply the free shipping offer. Make it something memorable or relevant to your product or store branding. Moving on, click on Countries to define the geographic locations where this offer will be available. This feature allows you to tailor the discount to specific regions, which can be particularly useful if shipping costs vary widely based on location. Next, you'll want to specify the purchase type. This option lets you select whether the discount should apply to specific collections, products, or the entire order, giving you flexibility in how you target your free shipping offer. Regarding shipping rates, it's important to ensure these align with your default shipping settings. Make sure there's consistency so customers get the promised experience. The next section is eligibility. Decide who is eligible to use this discount, whether it's all customers or specific groups, allowing you to reward loyal customers or target new ones. For minimum purchase requirements, set a threshold amount. This is an effective strategy to boost your average order value by incentivizing larger purchases to qualify for free shipping. Consider setting maximum discount uses if you want to limit how many times this offer can be redeemed. It's a great way to control the promotion's duration and impact on your revenue. Under Combinations, determine whether this offer can be combined with other discounts. This setting ensures that you maintain a balance between promotional offers and profitability. Finally, set the active dates for your free shipping promotion. This scheduling ensures your offer is available precisely when you want it to be, whether during a special event or a low-season boost. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up free shipping on Shopify. Following these steps will help you provide an enticing benefit to your customers and potentially increase your sales. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!